What's up guys, Joey here for YugaTech, and today we're going to be unboxing a new device from Vivo. We got the Vivo V17 Pro. So this one is the successor to the V15 Pro from earlier this year. As you can see from the box, it's got a redesign. It's similar to the Vivo Nex. We got that new pop-up camera, but it doesn't seem to have the circular camera at the back. So let's get this thing out of the box. So opening it up. There we go. We got a smaller box that has... This is new. So instead of a black or a clear case, this one here is white. As opposed to match the crystal white color that this device is in. Also here in the smaller box we have our warranty, our quick start guide, and interesting, the Type A to Type C cable is here in the sub box. Okay, so let's put these things aside for now. Now we have the phone itself. There it is. There's the Vivo V17 Pro, and we got it in this really nice crystal white color variant. It reminds me of the Mate 30 Pro silver variant because it is white, but it does kind of absorb the color of the environment it's in. So we have a lot of warm tones in this room, a lot of blue tones also, and you can see that's being reflected on the back. Anyway, rest of the box we have just your yeah, so this one is an 18-watt charger, so I assume this is Vivo's 18-watt dual engine fast charging, not the 44-watt charge we have on the Nex 3. Anyway, we also have a free pair of earphones, which is always nice. So checking out the V17 Pro, it clearly, yeah, it's got the same kind of pop-up camera as on the Nex. It's a little bit wider, but it has a dual lens setup on the front. At the back, it has 4 rear cameras. On the left side, we have this is a dedicated Google Assistant button. Okay, so this is a dedicated Google Assistant button on the left. On the right side, we have the power and volume buttons. Down below, we have a Type C port, noise-canceling microphone, our SIM card tray, and bottom-firing loudspeaker. And yeah, for specs, this guy is running the same chipset as the V15 Pro. It's still the Qualcomm Snapdragon 675. Based on our box right here, it has 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. Now, if you guys want to see the full specs of the V17 Pro, we have a link in the description down below. So pricing for the Philippines has not been announced yet, so stay tuned for that, as well as for our full review of the Vivo V17 Pro. That should be out like Wednesday next week. Now, what do you guys think about the Vivo V17 Pro? Let us know in the comments down below. And if you enjoyed this video, please do drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit the bell icon to notice any future uploads, and be sure to visit YugaTech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Joey, and I'll see you guys in the next one.